Do you know many people are having trouble with rotating their LCD display on the NZXT Kraken 280? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Install software. First, ensure you have the NZXT CAM software installed on your computer. You can download it from the NZXT website if necessary. Step 2. Open Settings. Open NZXT CAM after installation and go to the Settings section to manage connected NZXT devices. Step 3. Find device. Locate your NZXT Kraken 280 in the device list and access its specific settings. Step 4. Adjust orientation. Look for the option to adjust the display orientation and choose your desired setting. Step 5. Select rotation. Select your preferred orientation in 90 degrees increments and let NZXT CAM apply the change to the LCD screen. By following these steps, you should now be able to rotate the display with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other NZXT users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.